I am Nala Marty from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today I'm presenting you the smallest dual axle bunkhouse. Everybody asks me about small bunkhouse. Yes, we know we have a lot of 17 footers, 16 footers, and 13 footers bunk model, no slide, but all of them unfortunately is only single axle, just two wheels, like the Aspen Trail 17BH, the 17BH Avenir, the Coleman, and all of the, and we have all of those. And we stocking what is behind me is a brand new 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 1800BH. Now, it's an 18-foot trailer, but it has four wheels, as you see, tandem axle with a bunk model. It has a nice aerodynamic cap in the front. So this is a fiberglass cap in the front with a half diamond plate in the front. So you have a diamond plate and you have fiberglass cap with installation. Another thing you have over here is we have aluminum frame construction. So that's mean fiberglass, Azdel. So this is Azdel fiberglass and aluminum frame. So if you come look over here, you could see the structure of the unit is aluminum. The walls inside is aluminum. The floor is aluminum. I talked this in previous videos. What does it mean Azdel? Azdel is mean here's the fiberglass. I have another layers of Azdel, and then the foam, then the wood. And the Azdel work as separations between the fiberglass and the foam, so it keep it mesh as one piece. Does not have the separation, so you don't have what's called delamination, bubbling. Some old trailers you see them, they're bubble on the side or on the front because they don't have Azdel fiberglass. So the Azdel fiberglass will work as a separation between the fiberglass and the foam and help to keep the fiberglass glued to the foam and also extra installations. So fiberglass, aluminum frame, Azdel fiberglass, Azdel in between. Now this axle is a two axle aluminum rims, not cheapy black rims. But this is where your money is back right there. And that's what's called the torsion bar axle. Independent suspension, no spring leaves, nothing's gonna pop on you. Perfect. So they give you the torsion bar axle, the dual axles, the fiberglass, the aluminum. Now you got, look here, they give me two big GPL speakers, as you see, LED light underneath the awning, outside TV bracket. Even they tell you here's where you screw the bracket because there's a backer locations. So you put your TV here, so you have the cable, the 110, Sani flush, and it has all power jack. Going to the back, another quality and advantage, I have a separate ladder in the rear and come with the ladder. Not like some other brands where they give you ladder prep. This is come with the ladder. Outside shower, hot and cool. Spare tire with the cover. And I have a class 3 hitch designed to handle up to 500 pounds. I could do a boat, I could pull a jet ski, I could bike rack, and so on. Now, going over here, I have a beautiful pack and play door. What does mean pack and play door is, yes, I could see my bunk model here, but I could flip this one and latch it. Now you could see all this big outdoor storage I could get here. So if I have bicycle for the kids, I could put them in. If I have a storage bins, I could put it in. If I have their toys, my lounge chairs, my outdoor barbecues, again, all this area is a storage for you. You could access it from outside, as you see. As well, you have a net here. You could access it from inside. And if you don't want to use it, you could leave this bunk down. Just a second. Bring this mattress. Voila. You have a nice, beautiful, you know, the teddy bear mattress, and perfect. Even each bunk has a light and USB plug to that, two kind of USB. So this is another advantage for you. Going over here, they give you also outside solar prep Now, this unit, you're gonna say, wait a minute, this unit does not come with, no. It comes with a solar. This already has 200 watt solar on the roof, but they give you an additional plug here from the solar. So if you have additional solar you want to add to the system, like those suitcases, you could do that by plugging in here. And then you have slam luggage door with the metal. So look, it's easy. Watch, easy to lock, and it's magnets. And you could see here by drawing here on the corner, you will see the solar panel controller. So it has a 30 amp low power solar panel controller with a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. On this box, you will see there's a set inverter prep, which is mean the unit is ready for a prep, and the wires right there. Nice finishing, big huge storage. You could access it from inside and outside. This is from inside the door and use it from the outside. Now, we come with a nice propane tank with a cover, electric tank jack on the front with the light. So that's another thing. Power on it. So in reality, this trailer is nothing manual. All I'm just doing is pushing switches. Switch in the front, switch in every corner, the two jack in the front, the two jack in the back. Here's the most important thing is what you're looking inside. Number one, we have a nice dinette here. But you notice all of them, they're gonna give you legs. Except this unit has no leg. What do? You just push on it and you make it a bed, or you can raise it up and become a dinette. So you have a nice dinette, roller shade, very sublime. So you could see the advantage for you. Big window. Also, you have a storage underneath here. You could access it with a European hinges. This I love. I wish I had this in my house. Color of the solid surface. So it has extension countertop for the kitchen. Solid. This is not a Formica. This is not a composite. This is a solid surface countertop with a country sink, one-piece stainless steel sink cover, a 2-burner range, convection microwave cooking one, electric as well, electric oven, big storage. GPL stereo with speakers inside, speaker outside. TV facing the dinette as well. Come on a swing. You can watch it from the bed. Big storage for cooking pan. Tinsel doors. Look how deep it is. This one, cooking pan doors. Look how deep. Walk on the manuals. And then you're getting the 11 cubic foot refrigerators, the one run off the battery. 12-volt refrigerator, separate door for freezer, separate door for the fridge. Nice pantry here or closet. There's a hanging clothes, or you could take this shelf and the shelf hanging clothes, or you could use it as a pantry. One here and one there. 250-pound bunk capacity with the handle, USB plugs and light, both USB. Same thing here, and this is the outside storage you could access. Fan to get the heat out of 12-volt. All the storage over the dinette. All storage, and you have USB plug both kind as well the 110. That's another advantage for you in this one. Full pass-through storage on the front. You can see all the hoses, all the amenities come with it. Big bed. Lay down here. No issue. I could see my TV from here. I don't have even to swing it. I could watch the TV. USB plugs, windows, storage underneath me. I could access it. The outside storage I could access from inside. There's a cell phone charger here. This really nice because Winnebago they have enclosed underbelly, and also it has tank here, so it has a heat pad on each tank to keep it not froze in the extreme cold weather or pump. The hot water here is a two-way. I could run off electricity and propane. That's a big sign, notice. Electric awning. Shade for the window. Other brand they don't give you that. I know that. This one has a shade on this window even. Coming over here to the bathroom. Nice big fan in the bathroom. A towel rack. Porcelain toilet. And then you can say, well, now where's your sink? Voila, here's your sink. You have a full sink. as well. We have a full shower with standing light enclosure, so no water come out. And then I close my sink, and then I have full shower, and all this in the 1800BH. So quality, quality, quality. Items, features, benefits, as well as construction. Price, we shop no one in this side of the country, California, Oregon, Washington. We guarantee you, we'll sell them to you for $28.99. So yes, we have this unit for $28.99. Come to Best RV and grab it. It's a brand new 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800.